Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to export your mailbox in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the export features you'll need. Once everything loads up and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with the export process. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to click on the one labeled File. This tab contains all the main file management options for Outlook, including the import and export features you'll be using to backup or transfer your mailbox data. Once the file menu opens, look through the available options until you find one called Open and Export. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a new set of options specifically designed for managing data transfers in and out of Outlook. From these new options that appear, click on Import/Export. This is the gateway to all of Outlook's data management tools, and it's exactly what you need for exporting your mailbox. After clicking Import/Export, an Import and Export wizard window will pop up on your screen. This wizard walks you through the entire export process step by step. In this window, look for and click on the option that says Export to a file. Once you've selected that, click Next to move forward. Now you'll be asked to choose which file type you want to export your data as. You'll see options like CSV file for Microsoft Excel or PST file for Outlook. The PST format is generally best if you plan to import the data back into Outlook later, while CSV works well for viewing in Excel. Choose whichever format suits your needs and click Next. In the next step, you'll need to choose which mailbox you want to export. If you want to export your entire mailbox, simply click on the email account header at the top. This will select everything, including all folders, emails, and attachments. Once you've made your selection, click Next again to continue. Now comes the important part, choosing where to save your exported file. You'll see an option to browse for a location. Click on Browse and a File Explorer window will open up. Navigate through your folders and select the directory where you want to save this backup file. Maybe you want it on your desktop for easy access, or perhaps in a specific backup folder on an external drive. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, click OK to confirm your selection. Finally, after you've set your save location, click Finish. Outlook will now begin exporting your mailbox data to the file format and location you specified. Depending on how much email data you have, this process might take a few moments, so just be patient while Outlook processes everything. Once it's done, your mailbox will be fully exported and saved in your chosen directory, ready for backup, transfer, or archival purposes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Outlook mailbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.